Welcome to Project Management for Professionals. Hello, I'm Jack Guido, Master Instructor for this course. Let's take a brief look at one of our recent classes.
It was a two-pronged approach. One was to raise money for the National Breast Cancer Foundation. The other one was to collect recycled cans from the State College area.
The pressure to perform put us in a situation where we got things done.
Overall, we just want to thank you. We learned a lot from this course. It was very useful. Thank you.
You have seen the enthusiasm from some of our students. In the next several minutes, I'd like you to hear what they said they learned from the course, the range of projects they worked on, and the tools they learned about to help them manage their projects successfully. But first, let me share with you some of the feedback we received from the students about this course. Pretty cool class. Good class with a lot of valuable information. I found the material to be very relevant. The information is very useful. I liked it. Good course, and the group project was great practice. Helpful and practical. The material covered is extremely helpful in working on projects. This material could be applicable to other facets within my everyday life. And the pizza at the end of the course was really appreciated. And let me add, the pizza was well deserved. Our students were great and they did a great job. When asked, would you recommend this course? 100% of the students said yes. Now let's listen firsthand to some of the lessons they said they learned from the course.
We realized that we needed to meet and get together and really openly communicate to get a solid foundation for our project. A big thing was learning that you had to be flexible, you couldn't just stick with what you had. And it really was about balancing quality, cost, and schedule.
Really hard, but we compromised, we worked together, which there were always in constant communication, even email, text, or telephone. That was the key thing to have.
We found out that teamwork is critical, and not everyone is good at all the same things. So it was important that we learned what our skills were and what our strengths and weaknesses were, and we were able to use those effectively to better the project.
Communication is the key, is the link between everybody. Our project team had a great deal of lessons learned from this class and also from working on this project together. And another part of an effective project team is trusting one another. We learned that from the class and we were able to implement that in our project, which really helped us with our time management.
What worked for us, being able to trust that certain pieces were going to be able to get done as we work together, knowing the strengths that I think each of us had to complete the different tasks.
The most important lesson that we learned, though, is take time at the beginning of the project to plan. Taking time at the beginning of the project saves time at the end.
These are some great lessons learned that will help them throughout their careers. This accelerated course is 8 weeks, and it is delivered in a hybrid format, which means there are 3 face-to-face classes, one at the beginning, one in the middle, and one at the end. And in between, you work independently or with your project teams on assignments that must be completed each week. Now let's listen in on some of the team presentations.
Our project's based off of the senior send-off concert that Penn State holds every year. It's called Moving On.
We identify with our clients and think of what they may really need and how to meet their needs.
So in order to meet their needs, what we came up with is basically 4 main work packages. We have fencing.
The project is a 2,500 square foot log cabin. We both chose this because we were kind of all outdoorsy people.
That was our presentation. Tony and Sue gave us gifts to give to all you guys, a token of their appreciation last.
The goals of this course are to have you understand and apply project management concepts and techniques, develop the knowledge and skills to work successfully in a project environment, and to understand the skills needed to be a contributing member of a project team and an effective project manager. Let's take a look at some of the project management tools that our students learned about and applied to their projects.
So when we first started, we made a work breakdown structure to help us allocate our resources and our subcontractors. So Microsoft project, we developed a really nice network diagram that had a great critical path through it. The visualization of this whole process is the Gantt chart. So here's a list of all the tasks. We have 29 tasks that have to be completed. Highlighted in red is our critical path.
We're considering doing resource leveling to balance that out more.
The textbook for this course is Successful Project Management, which I wrote based on my years of industry experience. It is easy to understand and includes a range of practical examples and cases. It is now in its 4th edition, is published in 4 different languages, and is a best-selling project management textbook worldwide. Here are some comments from students about the book. This will probably be one of the very few textbooks I keep. Great for future on-the-job reference. I think you will find this course both enjoyable and one of the most valuable courses you have taken. I want you to succeed in this course. I hope to see you in class. Now let me close with a list of 10 reasons why you should take project management for professionals. Number 10, the course is only 8 weeks. 9, only 3 face-to-face classes, the rest is self-study. 8, exams are take-home and open book. Number 7, the instructors are interested in helping you succeed. Number 6, get to develop your planning, communication, and teamwork skills. Number 5, it is one of the most valuable courses you'll ever take. Number 4, 100% of the students said they would recommend it to others. Number 3, munchkins during the first class. Number 2, pizza during the last class. And the number 1 reason why you should take this course, it will be a big plus when you will mention it in job interviews.